properly leveled cutting deck can affect both the quality of the cut as well as machine performance. The cutting deck on Bobcat mowers is suspended by 4 chains, one at each corner, that make up the attachment lifting system. The deck is supplied from the factory adjusted level with the ground. The operator can adjust the pitch if necessary depending on the application. Pitching forward utilizes the engine power by ensuring the leading edge of the blades cut grass to the proper height on the first cut. Pitching rearward provides a nicer finish and better striping, but requires more engine horsepower because the grass is being cut twice. For best performance, the leveling or pitch of the cutting deck should be checked periodically. Before the leveling procedure, ensure tires are properly inflated to the pressure specified in the operation and maintenance manual. Park the machine on a flat level surface and engage the parking brake. Disengage the PTO, shut down the machine, and remove the key. Measure the height from the top surface of the cutting deck to the ground on the front, right, and left sides and record the measurements. Then record height at the rear of the cutting deck from the top of the cutting deck to the ground for the left and right sides. All measurements will be the same if the cutting deck is level. To adjust the height of the front of the cutting deck, hold the star nut adjuster with a wrench and loosen the fastener approximately 1/2 turn. Then, turn the star nut adjuster to either climb the gear rack, which will raise the deck, or descend the gear rack, which will lower the cutting deck at that location. Adjusting one location may affect the measurements at other locations. Please note, some decks have a different mechanism for adjusting the deck. The principle is the same. The difference is there isn't a gear cog at the top. Instead, there is a slotted hole at the bottom, which is where you would loosen the nut and then tighten to put the tension back on the chain. When at the desired location, hold the star nut adjuster and tighten the fastener to the torque referenced in the operation and maintenance manual, and then repeat for the other side. When complete, the measurements must be the same on the left and right. Next, adjust the height at the rear, left, and right locations. To pitch the deck forward or rearward, the front of the cutting deck should be approximately 3 mm or 0.12 inches lower or higher than the rear of the deck. When the adjustment is complete, the measurements from the rear, left, and right edge of the cutting deck must be the same. An alternative leveling method involves resting the deck on 3 pre-cut blocks. This may help eliminate having to chase the adjustments on both sides. Please note, this method is not found in the manual and is meant to illustrate an alternate method for leveling the deck. The front block is 8 and 15/16 inches, and the back two are 8 and 11/16 inches, with screws on the top that adjust deck pitch. These measurements will ensure the deck will be adjusted to the height of cut of 3 3/4 inches. Raise the deck to the transport position. Place 1 block under the front of the deck and 2 blocks on either side of the rear of the deck. Remove these caps and then lift assist springs if equipped. Set the height pin at 3 1/2 inch, which is 1/4 inch lower than the blocks. Lower the deck to the blocks. The full weight of the deck should be on the blocks. Loosen the adjusting screws at all 4 corners of the deck to relieve tension on the chains. Turn the front, left, and right adjusting screws until the slack is taken out of the chains and then retighten. Repeat for the rear, left, and right adjusting screws. Raise the deck. Set the height of cut to 3 3/4 inches. Remove the blocks and then lower the deck to the height of cut pin. Raise the discharge chute and then measure from the ground to the tip of the blade. If done correctly, the blade should be 3 3/4 inches off the ground. A third adjustment method involves using a level. First, loosen 1 front chain so the deck is hanging on 3. Then level the rear side to side. Last, put a level on the deck and level front to rear by moving the front adjuster up or down each side until level. If pitch is desired, put a spacer under the level on the end that is to be lower and adjust until the bubble reads level. Once the deck has been leveled, raise the deck to the transport position and reinstall the lift assist springs. Ensure they are adjusted to operator preference. If they are over-adjusted, the deck may bounce and produce an uneven cut. If they are under-adjusted, the deck will be more difficult to lift, but provide more downforce. The standard adjustment is listed in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Please note, to avoid causing damage to the turf, ensure the anti-scalp rollers are adjusted for the height of cut.